This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. Man, what a way to end that day there. The SPY trading off 0.84% at 558. You have the composite trading off about 0.87% at 17,689. Dow Jones Industrial off about 0.95% at 40,828. You have those Russell futures trading off 1.11%. Of course, you get a big dump at the end of the day there, okay? We are going to have Fed talk. This is going to be very important to see kind of how they're feeling. Bitcoin, unbelievable, very, it is movement, okay, that kind of subverts expectations. You have Bitcoin trading up 0.7% as it is, kind of moving along with gold right now, which had another massive day to the upside, trading up 3.26% at 3,430. Crude oil trading up 3.47%. Yeah, so this is really interesting, right? You have so many different pressures, both bullish and bearish, for the price of crude right now. You had Diamondback essentially say, like, hey, we're not going to produce as much at these levels, right? We're gonna cut supply, right? And so, do we get a stabilization really in oil over a longer term? Something around, that 65 to 70 area. We'll see what happens. Of course, Saudi Arabia is cutting oil production. We'll see what happens with that, of course. Then we looking at LFMD, LifeMD, very, very small position just right now, just for exposure on earnings. Okay, if we get a massive rip, we'll see what they report. Insane candle right there at the end of the day, right? So we'll see what they have to report. Of course, HIMS reported very fantastic revenue and user growth. Operating margins were not as good, honestly, not fantastic. One of the things I was seeing with LifeMD, of course, these guys are pre-income right now, pre-positive net income, I guess I should say. And one of the things with HIMS is it took HIMS quite a long time, to be positive that way. Okay, so we will see what happens with LifeMD. Again, not a huge position whatsoever, but in the event that they really knock it out of the park, which I think there's a lot of catalyst to the upside for them here. We'll see what happens. Folks, thank you so much for joining me. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. with Tommy O'Brien for the morning market kickoff. Take care.